Good morning, students. Welcome to English Class 7. Today we start with Term 2, Unit 2 poem Wandering Singers, written by Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu, in this poem, tells us about the wandering singers, their life and their activities, as well as their experience. The wandering singers stroll here and there. It means they move from place to place. They count the world as their home, and all the people around are their inborn family and relatives. They hold lutes. It means a musical instrument. They hold it in their hands and sing songs about ancient battles, old kings, and the beauty and laughter of women of the past. Now let's move on to the poem with its explanation. First stanza. Where the voice of the wind calls our wandering feet through echoing forest and echoing street. With lutes in our hands, ever singing we roam. All men are kindred, the world in our home. Explanation. The land of folk singers who wander from town to town and from village to village spread the message of love through their singing. The voice of wind symbolizes the welcoming tone of the song that echoes through the forest and streets. They play the lute, a musical instrument, as they roam from place to place. All mankind are like their extended family, and the world is their home. The second stanza. Our lays are of cities whose luster is shed, the laughter and beauty of women long dead, the sword of old battles, the crown of the old kings, and happy and simple and sorrowful things. Explanation. The songs they sing are about cities whose glory is lost and also about the laughter and beauty of women of the past. The theme of the songs that they sing goes back to the stories of ancient battle or of old kings. They are happy and simple songs about sorrowful things. Third stanza and the last one. What hope shall we gather? What dreams shall we soar? Where the wind calls, our wandering footsteps we go. No love bids us tarry, no joy bids us wait. The voice of the wind in the voice of the fate. Explanation. The wandering singers have no dreams or hopes of their own. They go wherever the wind calls. No love can make them to go slow. No joy can bid them to wait. The voice of the wind is the voice of their life and also their destiny. So, dear children, here in this poem, we have come to know about wandering singers who never stay in one place. The whole world is their home. Wherever they go, they spread the message of love through their singing, which is not so easy to do. We should respect their singing and follow the message what they say. Yes, children, I hope you all have understood the poem and its feel. Let's end up our session and meet in our next session with more interesting topics. Till that, stay peace and stay healthy. Thank you, children.